Hello students, today I am going to teach you this chapter, The Little Girl of Class 9, written by Catherine Mansfield. The Little Girl is one of the chapters of your textbook, so today I am going to teach you. So I am going to summarize this chapter so that you can understand this chapter well, and I will cover all the facts. All you need to do is to pay attention carefully so that you can understand the facts one after another what is happening in this chapter. So this chapter is the little girl. It is all about a small girl, okay, and her family members, father, mother and parents. So here in this chapter we will come to know about her fear towards her father, how much he or she gets scared of her father, and at last she could understand that how much her father cares for her and loves her. Okay, at the very outset she was ignoring because of her rude appearance, because of his rude appearance, means her father's rude appearance, harsh and tough, which is why she always gets scared of her father, and she considers her father to be the bad one or the bad father in the world. But at last she could realize that her father also just like the father of the other children who takes care of her. So we'll come to know through this chapter. So let's get started. I'm reading it out and reading it in the summary of the chapter. In the story, there was a little girl named Kezia. So the name of the little girl is Kezia. In this story, she lives with her father, her mother and her grandmother. So she lives with them, her father, with her mother and with her grandmother. Also, she was afraid of his father and tries to avoid him all the time. Here it is said that she was scared or she was feared of her father and always tries to avoid him all the time. Moreover, she feels comforted on seeing his father leaving for office. And moreover, it is said that she feels comfortable when she sees her father going to the office, for office. She was so afraid of her father that she mumbles in front of him as he appeared to her as rude, critical and harsh. So as her father's appearance is rude, critical and harsh, rough and tough, that's why she mumbles in front of him, and she gets scared. Further, her grandmother showed her to understand her parents better. Further means more. Her grandmother showed means the past form of sick. Her grandmother showed her to understand her parents better. That's why she would encourage her to go to the drawing room to chat with her parents. Means her grandmother knows about the fact that her granddaughter gets scared of her father. That's why she advised to have a chat with her parents in the drawing room, so that they can establish a good relationship with between them, and that is what her grandmother wants. Then again she finds them cold towards her. Then again grandmother finds them cold towards her. Means she did not get that much, she did not get that much response from her side, from her granddaughter's side, and she remained as she is. So One fine day, her grandmother suggested Kezia prepare a pin cushion for her father's birthday. So grandmother didn't find any way, any proper way, but this, that she thought that Kezia would prepare a pin cushion. Cushion, you know, in everybody's uh, house, cushion is there. So grandmother suggested Kezia to prepare a cushion, pin cushion for her father's birthday. Means when father's birthday will be celebrated, then her daughter, okay, or the granddaughter of grandmother is going to, you know, give the present as, okay, present this as prepared by her granddaughter. So grandmother suggested this to prepare this to give it to her father's birthday. Consequently, Kezia stitches the three sides of the pin cushion casing. So consequently means as a result, Kezia started stitching this. Okay, the three sides of pin cushion casing. There are different four sides of the cushion. She started stitching, you know. But after that, she needs to stop the cushion with something. So after that, she needs the stops. Okay, stop the cushion with something. Means with something she needs to stop it. She needs to, you know, put it with the cushion. That's why she goes to her mother's room number 6. You know, to bring the staff which will be put, okay, together with the cushion. She went to her mother's room number 6, okay, and she went on the bed table, and there she finds many sheets of fine paper. After going there mother's room, in room number 6, she finds many sheets of fine paper. Then she torn the paper into small pieces. Then after receiving the paper on mother's, you know, bed table, she torn the paper into small pieces and filled the pin cushion and sew up the fourth side. So as the fourth side, I have already mentioned that there are four sides of the cushion. Three sides she has already stitched, and the one side is remaining. For that the staff was required to stuck with the cushion. That's why she went to, you know, mother's bedroom, and she got, you know, many sheets of fine paper, and she torn the paper into small pieces and filled the pin cushions, okay, and sew the fourth side. So after that she got this sheet of paper and she sewed the fourth side. However, she doesn't do that. Those papers contain her father's very important speech for the Port Authority. However, what happened? She doesn't. Okay, those papers contain her father's very important speech for Port Authority. Means the paper she has got, actually the papers was of her father's important speech for Port Authority. Okay, that paper was actually the father's speech, you know, paper. Means where the speech was written. Okay, although she accepted her mistake and tries to explain the reason why she does it. After, you know, revealing this matter to her father got angry and she accepted that she did the mistake. Actually, she has brought the papers from her mother's bedroom, which she should not have brought, but she has brought. Okay, she did the mistake, but she, okay, accepted her mistake and tries to explain the reason why she does it. But her father was too angry to listen to her response to her reason and punished her with a ruler on her palm. So her father, you know, got too much angry at this, and she did mistake. Okay, he got too much angry on her. Okay, her reason, and He was not ready to listen her reason and punished her with a ruler. With a ruler, he punished her, okay, on her palm. The way we sometimes can see that in schools what happen in the classroom, teacher gets angry and beats the students sometimes by the stick on the palms of the students. So that is what the same thing happens against the small girl. Okay, her father got the ruler in his hand and beats her on her palm. However, she failed to understand why she made out to punishment even after she accepted her mistake. Actually, her small daughter didn't understand the fact properly. Okay, why she came across those punishments or she got those punishments, even after she accepts her mistake. After that, she got angry and said, what did God make father for? पापा को ये भगवान ने किस लिए बनाते हैं, ये बात करिए. Okay. Steadily she said that what did God make father for? So most importantly, actually she said these words getting angry when she accepted her mistake, but her father realizing the mistake also or knowing the fact also mistake also, he punished her. Okay, like the ruler, he beats her on her palm. That's why she got angry, and getting angry she said these words, what did God make father for? Okay, next line. Most importantly, one evening she saw Mr. McDonald playing with her 5 children, laughing and enjoying with them. This event influenced Kezia that all fathers are not similar. So most importantly, what happened? One evening she saw Mr. McDonald's playing with her 5 children. The name of her father was, actually this is Mr. McDonald. Okay. Most importantly, one evening she saw Mr. McDonald. So that small girl saw Mr. McDonald playing with her 5 children. As Mr. McDonald has 5 children, he was playing with her children. So one evening that was visible by the small girl. Okay, laughing and enjoying with them. Mr. McDonald was laughing and enjoying with them. This event influenced Kezia that all fathers are not similar. When the small girl named Kezia saw this incident, then she understand or realize that all fathers are not similar. Okay, she concluded that some father is caring and loving like Mr. McDonald and some are harsh like her father. She also concluded that some fathers are caring but some fathers are not caring like my father is. Okay, however, her attitude towards her father changed. Her attitude towards her father changed. Means what was her attitude? Her attitude was absolutely different. She always wants to stay away from his father. So that attitude has been changed. So there is a reason behind it why her attitude has been changed. Someday what happened? Her mother needs to be hospitalized and her grandmother goes with her. So one day her mother got sick and she needs to be hospitalized and her grandmother also went with her. Okay, so Kezia was alone in the house. So Kezia was there alone in the house, okay, with the cook. With the cook means the person who is cooking, who cooks. So Kezia was there with the person who cooks or the cookman. Okay, the day went fine, but the night was different issue. The day went fine. The day was fine, but the night came with different matters. What is the matters? We'll come to know. In the middle of the night, she woke up of fear screaming. So in the middle of the night, she woke up. She got up and she got scared. And getting scared, she screamed and wept. as she had a terrible nightmare. Means she was thinking about the nightmare she has got. Nightmare means the dream here, the terrible dream. Because of the terrible dream, she was screaming, she was weeping. Okay? Means as soon as she ended the dream in the middle of the night, she got up and started screaming. Okay, and started weeping. Actually, these things happens in case of us also. As soon as we finish the dream at night, we get scared for the moment, for some time. And we woke up or get up, we get awoken. Okay, that is what exactly happened in case of her. So when Kezia opened her eyes, she saw her father right next to her. But when Kezia opened her eyes and he saw her father right next to her. Okay. Her father carried her to his bedroom and made her comfortable, warm on his bed. So her father took her to his bedroom and made her comfortable. Okay, so that means her father took care of her and warm on his bed. Means whatever was required for her to be slept properly, he did for his daughter. Okay, as a father, what should be done, he did it properly. Okay, further, her father told her to rub her feet with her legs and set them warm. So further what happened? Her father told her to rub her feet. Means if there is a feet rubbing or the rubbing of the feet can be done, then definitely the feet are going to get warm. So that is what he suggested to do the same. Okay, so that her feet gets warm. She spends the night with him, feeling comfortable, sick. So at that night, she spends the whole night with him. Okay, feeling comfortable and safe. She felt comfortable, she felt safe, as her father was there in front of her. Otherwise, the story would have been different. After that, she realized that her father was not a bad person. So since that time, she could realize that her father was not a bad person. Her father was also just like the 10 other fathers. Means what the fathers do actually for the children, her father also do the same thing. As he loves and cares for her in his own way. Means her father loves and cares for her like in his own way. Moreover, he had to work a whole day to provide for his family and was too weary by evening to play with her. So moreover, what happened? He had to work a whole day to provide for his family. Actually, all the fathers do like this, to run the family or to provide the necessary things for the family. Each and every father means do work throughout the day for the family. And what happened? And he was also too weary by evening to play with her. At the evening time, he plays with her little daughter, and by playing, he gets tired. Okay, if her father had not cared for her, he wouldn't have cared, he wouldn't have helped her daughter in the nick of time when her daughter got into trouble. So her father did so, and which is why her father is considered to be one of the good father like others, who takes care of her children. So in this story we came to know that how getting scared a daughter first of all thinks his father or considers his father the bad person, and how these things had changed into the reality. What her daughter exactly could understand at the last of this story, that her father is actually a good person who takes care of her, daughter like 10 other fathers. So that is the story of this chapter. I think you have understood it. Thank you.